So we have been gearing up for Halloween all week, and if you plan on having friends over for a pre-trick-or-treat jaunt, or if you yourself are throwing a Halloween party, listen up, because we have some scary, spooky, and sweet recipes. They not only look good, they taste good.
Are you getting dressed up?
Yes, I'm going nowhere. I'm just going to greet.
Perfect.
I'm Harley Quinn.
Oh.
And my
very
son
cool.
is Joker, and my fiance is going to be Diablo.
I love it.
Well, he keeps saying, you keep making me go as the bald guy. And I'm like, well, babe, you are the bald guy.
Anyway, joining us right now to show us how we can amp up our Halloween party treats is lifestyles expert, Barbara Majeski. Barbara, welcome.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
Are you getting dressed up?
Absolutely.
As?
I have no idea. It's a game day decision.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay,
Like whatever's in the closet.
That's
Exactly.
right. So when it comes to making artistic treats, people get a little bit intimidated because they're like, this seems larger than life. How can I possibly do it?
Yeah, absolutely. We have to keep it simple. It can't be complicated. It has to be something the kids can roll up their sleeves and do, right?
Yes.
So let's jump right
Let's
into
get it.
it.
Let's go right in.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
first up.
Go.
Come
get
on,
in
Rice
here.
Krispie treats,
Yeah.
right? The easiest thing: 1 box, 1 stick of butter, and 1 bag of marshmallows.
And that's
Like
it.
each
And that's it.
one is a stick of butter?
Well, it depends on how ambitious. We don't want to clog those arteries too quickly, but we want to have a good time. And all it takes is some food dye to change it up. Now, I think these are great, these little pumpkins. For anything pre-kindergarten to like 3rd grade, the kids can roll it up, and you make it into balls. Look at that. All that
And
is
is
a
this,
pretzel stick.
and I was just going to say, that's a teeny little pretzel stick. And so when it's warm, you mold it into the gourd.
And they're not so hot so that the kids' hands are going to get burned. But perfect for little kindergartners, 1st, 2nd, 3rd grade. And if you want to up your game for maybe 4th, 5th, 6th grade, you make it a little creepy, some Franken Krispies. And all you really need are these, what do you call it, these gels and the googly eyes. And it makes everything more fun and fancy.
That's very easy.
So cute.
Yeah,
Or it looks very easy. I wouldn't say it's easy.
It is easy. I need it easy. The husbands need it easy. The moms, the dads, everybody. Now I can even make it easier by having a no bake. No bake here. And the kids will go batty. It's
Literally.
a donut. I had to sneak that in there. Oreos, googly eyes, and a donut done. You don't even bake anything. And
Oh my gosh.
so cute.
So cute. Same googly eyes.
You gotta have some googly eyes on hand. If you're just getting started in the mom world, they sometimes fall off. All right, that's okay. Now you gotta eat it.
Well, that's part of the character.
So I've got something for the teenagers, because you gotta make it a little more cringy, a little more creepy. So I'm gonna have you do one of these, okay? So just so you can see how easy it is, these are donut holes.
That's it. This is just a donut hole.
That's it.
A munchkin.
A munchkin dipped in melted chocolate. And you get melted chocolate like at any grocery store. And all you're gonna do is do some green eyes. Go ahead, it's fun. You're gonna get yourself, just so everyone can see how easy this is. You know what, he needs a little more gore. You can go ahead and give it a little more gore.
And a dot in the middle.
Absolutely. And these forks you get at Party City, you can get off the internet. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy.
And if that's not enough.
Yeah, something you can sink your teeth into.
Candace, this has your name written all over.
Oh, does it?
Yes, absolutely.
Do it.
So you
I was having fun playing with that little guy.
We start with a cookie, take that, open this up, and then you're gonna go ahead and just on the other side, flip it over. There you go, and make it, I'm gonna give you, see what that's gonna look like?
There's your model.
There's your model.
Oh, I see.
Just get in there.
Nice grill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Now on this side, man, your grill is messy. Okay, here we go.
It's Halloween.
All right.
That's the beauty
now,
of
while
Halloween,
he's doing that side,
do I do this as well?
Yep, that side as well. I'm going to have you put on some teeth.
Oh, some teeth.
Okay, yeah, so
these are the grills.
Go ahead, get in there. You are all business. You like the frosting. I like your style.
I just like playing with food.
Yeah, okay. And look at her grill, all right? We don't have to worry about whether it hasn't gone to the orthodontist yet.
It's quite all right.
It's all good.
I'm not doing a copay. And then squish.
And then I just,
he has that.
He's got the top. I know. Okay, this is going to be a little whoosh, because he got a little ambitious.
Wow, look at mine.
Yours a little gummy. You got to clean up those gums and go to the, and then we got the fangs.
Barbara, you have outdone.
Did you floss?
Your never.
I know. I'm sure there's some orthodontists out there that want to get involved.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for all these ideas.
Awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
I know what I will add to my pizza. For more ideas on holiday treats and other lifestyle hacks, follow Barbara on Instagram at Barbara Majeski with a J. And also, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Can't wait to see your costume.
Yes, me too.